Okay, so here's a look at our Ebac Dehumidifier, which I really like. It's British made, it's really nice. As you can see, you just pull open the handle and whoops, I forgot that was full. But you've got the water jug there that just catches all the water. Literally just close it like that. Pull it open, pull the water out, empty it, close it. It's really simple. It's got main power features. Okay, so that when you turn it on, it might start like that. And then you just press the fan to increase the power. Now let's have a listen. If you press the max button, then it comes out of the smart mode. Okay, so that's more of a manual option, but to go to max power. The smart mode decreases power according to the humidity in the air, so I always use that, generally speaking. Now if you turn around and look at the back, you've got the carbon filter at the back, really nice. Just see, it pulls off very easily. It is a bit of a pain to get open though. Those clips are quite difficult. That's one thing they could improve. You need some kind of tool to do it really, and you've got the carbon filters that come as standard. You have to buy these. They recommend every 3 months. I need to change that one obviously, but yeah, it just clips back in. And below you've got the cable holder. You could just wind it around for easy storage. It does, the plug does fall off a bit off the top, but hey, it works. And if I come down to the bottom, you can see we got the optional casters. You just give them a flick, they fully rotate, but it's really nice to have them because if you don't want to carry it all the time, you can just spin it 360, wheel it around your house. We do like that. And at the back, it's got this nice sturdy carry handle that's integrated. It doesn't weigh too much. It is a little bit heavy, but you can lift it okay. And I also thought I'd show you this feature. Sometimes when you put the water jug back in, you get a red light flashing. This means it's not working. It's simply just open the flap, just pull it out a little bit, and then just put it back in. And you see, it just works. This happens sort of 50% of the time. It's just not connected properly. But if you just do that, it should work fine. And remember, you can just press the big icon to power up, smaller icon to power down. Max comes out of smart mode, and then mode goes back into the last smart mode. You've basically got two settings on the low and two on the high smart mode. So if you press from the beginning the fan icon 4 times, you will get to the very maximum, and if you press it down again 4 times, you'll turn it off. So that's just something I didn't realize. You just got to keep pressing that down, the small icon, to actually turn it off, because otherwise it's not very clear. There you go. It's been really good. The Ebac 2650E. It's actually, I believe, manufactured or at least designed in the UK, so it's nice to support that as someone in the UK. Really good dehumidifier. And yeah, it's been really good for us. It works really well. It generally only have to empty it every sort of 24 hours really in our house. I mean, there's only 2 of us, but it does work well. It's so nice and easy to operate. The only catch might be for someone that's a little bit heavy, and changing the filters is a bit of a pain. But otherwise, I would recommend it. It's quite quiet. It's the best dehumidifier we've ever had, and it is a really nice, strong, sturdy build. Simple to operate. It's not like any of the usual fancy stuff you get these days. So yeah, highly recommend the Ebac 2650E or any of their other models, because we've got another one upstairs in the house as well. Hope you found it useful. Like if it was.